Morning student, chapter number 5, Principles of Inheritance and Variation. Describe the test cross theory. First of all, test cross theory. Observe this figure. First of all, WW means white, homozygous received. Second, small ww, homozygous received. This is a WW separate and this WW is separate, means cross hybridization. All flower are violet. This is a all flower are violet. And second, genotype or phenotype dominant for two violet flower and two white flower, means this interruption means unknown flower is a homozygous dominant and unknown flower is a heterozygous, means it is the same flower color. Homo means same, hetero means different. Different means two is a violet and two is a white. This is a test cross theory. Mendel's for self-pollinated to F2 plants found with the F2 plants, means homozygous or heterozygous experiment. From the preceding paragraphs, it is a clear through the genotype ratio or can be calculated using mathematically probability by simply looking of phenotype, means genotype one type of phenotype of a dominant trait. It is possible to note that genotype composition, for example, where the tall plant from a F1 means capital TT and F2 means small tt. Clear? These can be test cross F1 or F2. Clear? In a typical test cross of organism of pea plant, here showing dominant phenotype and cross check receive parents for self crossing. This is a self crossing. The progenies of such a cross easily analyzed predict the genotype of the test organism. Observe this figure. Results is a all flower are violet and half flower is a violet and half flower is a white. Based on this observation for monohybrid cross. Monohybrid cross is a Mendel first gene law. Mendel's proposed two general rules of consolidate his understanding of inheritance for monohybrid. Monohybrid means only for one gene is muted. Today these rules are called the principles or law of inheritance, means law of dominance, and second law of segregation, means first law of monohybrid crosses. To observe two rules. First is a law of dominance and second law of segregation. What is law of domination? Means first point, characters are controlled by discrete units of factor, means any factor for capital TT or small tt. Factors occurs in pair. This is a pairs factors. Clear? Small or big. In this similar pair of factor, one member of the pair dominance and other is a receive, means one is a dominant and other is a receive. One is a dominant, this is a dominant, perfect. Receive, not perfect. Clear? Second, the law of domination is to explain expression of only one gene parental characters in a monohybrid cross in the F1 and the expression of for both F2. This is a observed for 3:1 ratio obtained for F2. Second, law of segregation. Law of segregation means this law is based on the fact that alleles means it is a one type of mutant gene do not show any bleeding. Both character recovered by F2 generation, means first generation is a F1, second is a F2. This is a F1 stage, this is a F2 stage. Through the parents contain for two alleles, means capital TT and small tt. These are two alleles during for gamete formation. The factor or alleles pair segregate from each other such that gametes receive only one of two factors, means same character, means same gene means it is a homologous. Homologous means same gene. and this is a capital T small t, it is a heterozygous. This is a homozygous and this is a heterozygous. One produces of two kinds of gametes, each having one allele. This is allele to equal proportion. Next point, incomplete dominance. Incomplete dominance means, first of all, this when experiments on peas were repeated using other traits, other plants, it was found sometime F1 had phenotype. F1 had phenotype that did not resemble either of two parents and was in between the two. Inheritance of flower color. Most important points for this incomplete dominance. For example, for dog flower. Dog flower for a name, for scientific name, snapdragon or Anthraeum species. This is the most important points for incomplete dominance for experiment for dog flower. This is a dog flower. This is snapdragon for Anthraeum species. Is a good example of understand for incomplete dominance. First of all, this is a observe for this figure. This theory is observed only for figure. First of all, P generation. P means phenotype. Capital red RR. Second, white small rr. First gene, second gene, first capital R, small r. Cross hybridization means F1 generation, capital R, small r. All pink. Capital R, small r, capital R, small r. It is a one gametes for female, one gametes for male. Means one male and second female. Cross hybridization means these are crossing over. These RR, capital RR and capital R, small r, crossing over. Small r, capital R, small rr, small rr. Phenotype ratio of one flower is observed red, two pink flower observed, and only one white flower is observed. Means ratio of incomplete dominance for dog flower or snapdragon or Anthraeum species. Most important for NEET and Gujket regular board MCQs. Ki filling the blanks used for incomplete dominance flower. Filling the blanks, dog flower or snapdragon or Anthraeum species. And observe for phenotypic ratio for 1 gem 2 gem 1 and genotypic ratio for 1 gem 2 gem 1. Clear? This is a incomplete dominance. After this condition, the normal less efficient enzyme used for this responsible for production. Non-functional enzyme, no enzyme at all, means results of monohybrid cross plant of snapdragon for incompletely. This is explained for incomplete dominance. Clear? Next points, codominance. Codominance means till now we were discussing cross where the F1 resemble either two parents dominance was between incomplete dominance. Means this is a only observation for this table. First draw a table notebook and detail allele from parent 1. This is a IA. IA means alleles IA and IB. Alleles from parent 2. Genotype of offspring and blood type of offspring. This is the most important question for this blood group. Means F1 generation resembles both parents for blood group, means types of red blood cells for ABO. ABO blood group types for A, blood group types A, B, AB and O. 4 types of blood groups. The gene I, 3 alleles, IA, IB and I. This is a 3 types of allele gene, and IAIB is a completely dominant over, and this IAIB is a present together expressed on 1 types of sugar, means crossing over phenotype genotype. Alleles from parent 1 IA, cross allele from parent to IA. IA means IA blood types observing for A. Second, IA cross IB. IA blood group is AB. IA means small I, means 3 type of allele gene, means genotype of observing thing IA. Clear? Blood group is only for A. Fourth, IB, this is only for A. This is a B. IB, IA, IB. This is a AB. IB. Genotype blood group is a B. IBI. This is a blood group is a B. Means 3 is a for gene and this is a 3B. And second only for I cross I means I. It is observed for blood group is O. Means blood group is a 4 types is observed A, B and O. Clear? This is a experiment for multiple alleles observed for this reaction. Next topic for the inheritance of 2 gene. Thank you, student.